It can be really helpful to see our data visually. Today we're looking at box plots where you can see distributions within the data and compare it to other distributions really easily. Box plots are a great way to show the distribution within the data using the quartiles. There are 5 points to mention. The lowest value goes here, the lower quartile goes here, the median goes here, upper quartile goes here, and then the highest value goes here. If there are outliers, these can be represented outside of the data by using little crosses to show them. Let's have a look at these questions. In this question we're asked to find the median and the interquartile range for the box plot shown. So, first of all, to find the median, we find that middle line in the box and read off the scale what it is. So it's going to be 22 meters. Next, to find the interquartile range, we need the lower quartile and the upper quartile. So the lower quartile and the upper quartile are shown on either end of the box. So it will be 26 for the upper quartile and 16 for the lower quartile. So 26 take away 16 is 10 meters for the interquartile range. Before we start drawing the box plot for the oak trees, we need to first of all identify what the outlier is. We're told the outlier is 1.5 times the interquartile range above the upper quartile and below the lower quartile. So the interquartile range is going to be 33 take away 29, and that's from the table where it gives us the values for the upper and lower quartile, which will be 4. Times that by 1.5 gives us 6. We're going to take that away from 29 to find the lowest possible value and add that to 33 to find the highest possible value. There's nothing higher than 39 because our highest value is 38. However, the 20 in our table shows the lowest value on our data set is 20, but any outliers are identified as under 23, so 20 is an outlier. We're told there's only one outlier, so 20 is the only one. Now we can draw the box plot by plotting out the 20 as an outlier, and the lower quartile, median, upper quartile and highest values are just written from the table. But we've got an issue here because our lowest is shown in the table as 20. We don't know what the next lowest is. So what we need to do is have a look at what the lowest possible value is. That's identified by our outlier formula, that 23 is our lowest possible one. So we plot this as our lowest value on our box plot. When comparing box plots, there are 2 things you need to compare. The medians, so the oak trees had a larger median height than the silver birches, and the second thing you must compare is the interquartile range or overall range. So the oak trees had a smaller interquartile range of heights than the silver birches. Let's finish with this. Discuss why we should show any outliers on box plots. If you've got any suggestions, write them in the comments below. And you can come to onmaths.com or click the link in the description where you can access all of our free A-level papers and predictions, and you can even save your scores with a free account. This video is part of a larger A-level course that you can follow along with at onmaths.com.